477. Approaching the roundabout, black car behind us, red car in front, mirrors. Signal, look to the right. Lots of traffic on the roundabout. Look to the right. Look to the right. Look to the right. Opportunity to go. So go. Maintain the indication. Right. This is the roundabout we're having trouble with. So approaching the roundabout and we want to go straight ahead. We can already see the sign which says to go for this roundabout we stay in the right hand lane. Sign's clearly visible. So it says stay to the right hand side. Don't even need to indicate at this stage. Staying in the right hand lane. Approaching the roundabout, there's a bus, it's not going to impede us. Staying in the right hand lane. Look to the left. Indicate. And let's make progress. Changing speed limit to 40 miles an hour. I'm going to turn right where the car dealer is.